Can we enable split screen feature in iPhone? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll find out if we can turn on split screen or if we can enable split screen on iPhone. So before we begin with that, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. So if you head over to your settings and start searching for any setting which enables you to turn on split screen, I'll save you some time because there is no native split screen functionalities on iPhone. So there is no feature currently which enables you to split your screen into two and use multiple apps at once. But there are some features such as picture in picture, which you can use, which will allow you to watch videos while you're using other apps, or if you use web based split screen that you can use. You also have apps which enable you to use split screen. So you can go to your search bar here on your app store and search for split screen. So let's search for split screen. And there you'll find different options here. Let me just search that again. There you can see multiple apps which will enable you to use the split screen option. So yeah, there is no inbuilt option which enables you to turn on split screen feature in any iPhone because there is no split screen feature in iPhone. And I hope this video was helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.